Hey everyone. So every once a month I go thrifting, as in I go to the flea market. I'm a small business owner. I don't make a ton of money, but I also love thrifting. I love finding things and I love worn in things. I don't know. It's a thing. So anyways, I asked you guys if you wanted to see what I thrifted this past flea market. And to be honest with you, not every month I get a lot of things. I thought I would show you what I thrifted in the past 2 months. Let me just show you real quick. I'm also looking at everything and I've noticed that I have a lot of dark blue, navy, close to black. I don't know. It's a thing. But this was thrifted too. This was also from the flea market. I think it's a kid's sweatshirt. And I got this for maybe $5 or $10. I wear it all the time. Okay, here we go. I found this. Okay, before I get into it. Most of the time, because I am a small business and I'm lugging things around, I'm also a mom to a boy who wants to go bicycle riding and skateboarding and all these things. I wear pants most of the time. I'm a pant girl. I love pants. I love pants that have like different shapes to them. I don't know. I like pants. But I have been thinking in my mind, haven't done it yet, that I want to do more feminine pieces for spring and summer this year of 2024. So when I found this, I thought it's a good start. It is a vintage dress. I really enjoy this. Look how cute that is. And the large collar. Button down all the way down. It's just so stinking cute. The only thing is that when I looked up close, there are no buttons. They are taped with some sewing. What do you call that? That fabric glue. And I think it might have been either used for wardrobe in a movie or on set because the buttons are missing, but it still functions. It's a cute dress. The cutest part is the back. Look at the collar, how it does this thing. I love it. It's so cute. So I got this guy. I just washed this guy, so he's a little wrinkly. I still need to steam him. But look how cute. Okay, normally I don't go for very patterny things. I'm very picky with my patterns, but something about the color scheme, the green, I'm a big sucker for green, this orange corally color, and it's sort of an aloha shirt, but it could not be. I don't know. I'm thinking I'm gonna use this for layering, but it's such a cute little summer piece. I don't know. I like it. Another thing too is I don't tend to go towards anything poly or nylon. I don't know, you guys. I'm just picky, I guess. But this, I feel like, has some polyester in it. I just can't figure it out. Sunshine by Sherry Holt, California, Hawaii. I don't know. Something about this shirt was just so cute. So yeah, I'm excited for this one. The last 3 are designer pieces. I don't always get them. Actually, no, there's one more. Okay, I bought this, and after I bought it, I wore it every single day. No joke. I am a sucker for sweatshirts. I love old thrifted sweatshirts. I don't know what it is. I love sweatpants. I love sweats, but I don't like to wear it like I'm lazy. I like to make it still cool and fashionable. I think it's when I was living in Tokyo, the whole idea of California in our minds, I'm speaking for all of Japan, in our minds, that people in California and LA would always be wearing sweatpants. So that's why we always, when we manufactured anything in the States, it would be those cotton t-shirts and sweats, the fleeces, the chunky, sweatshirts and sweatpants, and then we'd screen print on them. I don't know, it was a thing. And ever since then, for me, it's still a thing. I love it. See, I love sweatshirts. And then I got this one, and it has some paint stains, which I actually don't mind. The fit is great. And yeah, at least every now and then I find a good sweatshirt at the flea market. I mean, all the labels are cut out, so I can't tell, but I think it would be like a men's medium. Anyways, I wear it all the time, no joke. I just love it, and you can layer with it. In California, in LA, we have the weather where it's like kind of chilly in the morning, and then it gets warm in the afternoon, so you can kind of take this off, put it over your shoulder, or just, stay in your t-shirt, and then put back your sweatshirt back on for the evening. I don't know. I love it. Okay. So the last 3 pieces are designer pieces. I don't always find these, but when I do, and it's something I like, I never buy a designer piece just because it's a designer piece. It doesn't do it for me. I have to want to wear it. I am at a stage where I don't want to buy nice clothes just to keep in my closet. I want to buy nice clothes so that I can wear it daily, casually, is my thing. So here we go. Check this out. This was a Marni dress. I know. Marni dress, it's very thick, sort of waffle-like. I can't explain how chunky this is, but it's adorable, and it's a dress, and I have been wearing it casually with my loafers, my sneakers. I wear a sweatshirt over it, so I just use the little mini skirt underneath. It's so cute. There was only one problem. The hem at the bottom was coming down, and I had my friend's mom, thank you, Karen, she sewed it up for me. But that was the only thing that was wrong. Other than that, everything was in good condition. It is a size medium, and I'm usually a size small, so it's a little big, but it's very, very tiny. And I think that's why I like to layer it. And it is chunky, but I think I got this one for maybe $20 or something. I wear this all the time. I might wear this again tonight. Okay, here's another one. I was looking for a sweater, or no, I was looking for a cardigan. I only have one big chunky cardigan, and then the other 2 cardigans I have are these cropped shorter ones. I just wanted something a little bit longer and just bigger. Couldn't find the perfect cardigan, but when I saw this and the color and how soft it is, I had to get it. It is a Chloe sweater, and I love how freaking soft this is. It's so soft. There was nothing wrong with it. This label was hanging off by a thread, so I just sewed it back on. Other than that, I cleaned it and everything, and it's totally fine. And I have been wearing this over my t-shirts, under my jacket if I want to layer. It's been very versatile. It's got pockets. The shape and everything is just so cute. And my last one, I was going to get this anyways because I just love the print. They're little guys skiing on a ski slope. So this one, I believe it is a men's bathrobe, but it is a Christian Dior Monsieur. So it's long, and it didn't come with the belt, but I think I'm going to use this sort of as like a, what do you call it? Not a chore jacket. I can't think of the word. I'm just going to use it as a light jacket during spring and summer. It's so cute. Alright, so that was my flea market finds for the past couple of months. If I find anything else, I'll let you know. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments below. And if you do go thrifting in LA, tell me where you go. Or wherever you live. Let me know where you go because I might want to visit. Thank you guys for watching. Okay.